The art of digital marketing, techniques for entrepreneurs. The art of digital marketing, techniques for entrepreneurs. Digital marketing has become an indispensable aspect of modern-day business operations. It is a holistic approach to promote products and services using internet technologies. Today, many entrepreneurs are leveraging digital marketing techniques to connect with potential customers, generate leads, and foster long-lasting relationships with their clientele. However, navigating the world of digital marketing can be a daunting and overwhelming task for the uninitiated or inexperienced. Therefore, this article aims to provide entrepreneurs with some useful techniques to kickstart their digital marketing campaigns. Develop a strong content marketing strategy. Content marketing is the cornerstone of any successful digital marketing campaign. It refers to the creation, publication, and distribution of valuable content to attract and retain a specific target audience. Content marketing can take many forms, such as blog posts, videos, social media posts, infographics, and ebooks. To develop a robust content marketing strategy, entrepreneurs should first identify their target audience and create content tailored to them. They can then establish a content calendar that aligns with their overall marketing objectives and track the metrics to measure the success of their campaigns. Invest in search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing websites to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. It involves technical and non-technical tactics that make websites search engine-friendly and improve their visibility to organic traffic. Entrepreneurs can invest in SEO by optimizing their website's content, structure, and coding to make it easy for search engines to crawl and index. They can also create keyword-rich content, build high quality backlinks, and use meta descriptions to improve their chances of ranking higher on SERPs. Leverage social media marketing. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Snapchat provide entrepreneurs with an excellent opportunity to connect with their target audience on a personal level. Social media marketing involves creating engaging content, running targeted ads, and engaging with followers to increase brand awareness and promote products and services. Entrepreneurs should identify the social media platforms where their target audience is present and create a presence on those platforms. Create video marketing campaigns. Video marketing is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs to promote their products and services. It involves creating engaging and informative videos that educate and entertain the audience while showcasing the benefits of the products or services. Entrepreneurs can create video marketing campaigns by using platforms such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Instagram TV. They can create product demos, customer testimonials, how-to guides, and explainer video to showcase their products or services. Video marketing campaigns can help entrepreneurs increase brand awareness, drive traffic to their websites, and persuade potential customers to take action. Use email marketing to nurture leads. Email marketing is a cost-effective way for entrepreneurs to nurture leads and increase conversions. It involves sending targeted emails to subscribers to provide them with valuable content to promote products and services, and build long-lasting relationships. Engage in influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a form of digital marketing that involves partnering with influential people in a specific niche to promote products or services. Influencers are people who have a large and engaged following on social media platforms, blogs, and websites. Entrepreneurs can engage in influencer marketing by identifying the influencers in their niche, reaching out to them, and proposing a partnership or collaboration. They can provide influencers with F.